we have a table with some messy text, and we need to extract the hex color code, the email domain, and the number. There are over 500 Excel functions, and most people know maybe 20. And in today's challenge, I'll show you one that many Excel users have never even heard of. Unfortunately, the text isn't structured well, and there is no fixed position. That's exactly where regular expressions shine. The syntax is simple. First we need to define the text and then the pattern. The hard part isn't the function itself, it's learning how to describe the pattern. So let's build 3 of them. First we need to find a hash sign followed by exactly 6 characters. Then I will use backslash. It's one of the most important characters in regex, because it changes the meaning of the character that follows it. So backslash and W means we need any letter, digit or underscore symbol. If I need the exact number of characters, I'll type it in figure brackets. Here it's 6. Think of REGEXEXTRACT function as a search engine for text. Excel scans the text, and when it finds something matching that pattern, it returns it. The next pattern is a bit tricky. We need to find the email domain after the asterisk symbol. Also keep in mind, for it to be valid, we need to check if there is a dot inside the domain name. To check for an asterisk before our domain name, we will use the thing called positive lookbehind. Here we don't know the actual number of word characters, so we will type a plus. Seems legit. And now we need to find the numbers. To be exact, we need to find a number that is not immediately preceded by a hash symbol. To omit the numbers that start with hash symbol, I will use the technique called negative lookbehind. The number may optionally contain a decimal part. So we need to start at a word boundary and then read one or more digits, D+, then a dot and some more digits after it. As you see, some values are correct, but we still got some issues. The decimal part is optional, so we need to make sure that our patterns consider that. To achieve this, I will put the optional decimal part inside the brackets, and then use the question sign. And that's it. By the way, if you want, you can also use all 3 patterns inside one formula. Just put them in figure brackets. So as you see, regex can look intimidating at first, but remember, every pattern is a sequence of small building blocks. Learn what each block does, combine them, and suddenly you can solve text cleaning problems that would otherwise require long, complicated formulas. And be sure, you don't need to memorize dozens of regex symbols today. Focus on understanding the building blocks. Every new pattern you learn is just another combination of those same blocks.